Why, I am scared of the fridge.
What is wrong with this guy at the fridge? Who cares?
Look, sorry mate, I just am, alright? Put up with it. No, but seriously guys, you get up in the night and get something out of the fridge and you hear this noise. It scares the shit out of me, alright? It scares the shit out of me.
He's a member. Goose.
So I'm getting something out of the freezer. Shit. Yeah, so that's just 2 reasons why I'm really scared of my fridge. In my opinion, we need a new fridge. Quickly. Oh, and quickly, just before we go, I tell you one thing, and I guarantee you this. When the world's taken over by something, I don't know, aliens? I reckon it'll be aliens. It'll be fridges. It will be fridges. Yeah, everybody remember I said that, 'cause I called it. Fridges. Alright, thanks for watching guys. Remember to like, subscribe. Catch you later.